This is a nice opportunity to own a home instead of renting. It is 3-bedroom home with an open floor plan, 1.5 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. There is tile flooring throughout most of the house. It is on a corner lot with an oversized covered patio and a large backyard with a privacy fence. It is just minutes from OSU and popular shopping and restaurants. Check out the low interest rates. The Home Buyer Down Payment Assistance Program may be available to qualified buyers. This home would be a good consideration for first-time home buyers, parents with college students and investors. Call today to schedule an appointment.